I'm William Lawrence. I'm a dairy and arable farmer on the Pembrokeshire coast. We've been farming this for generations, and it is key to our business that we're able to graze the landscape that you see, and we're proud that we are able to share this with the public at large. We have over 2 miles of footpath that run through our farm, a mile of which is on the coast itself. So we continually fence off habitats. Most recently, the coastline itself. It enables the cows to graze safely and also prevent encroachment onto the public footpath, the coast path, and also aids and benefits the wildlife, the ground nesting birds and the habitats along the coast, which the public enjoy. The beautiful landscape which you see around here and indeed across the whole of Pembrokeshire coast, it's important to always remember that these are run as viable, sustainable businesses and have done, as proof by the fact they've been going for generations. And it does give me great pleasure that people come to see the dairy and the arable farming practices, and that does contribute to a destination, which the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park is, a destination that the public enjoy. It hadn't escaped our attention of how popular and busy this part of Wales was becoming. We took a decision as a family to get people on farm to see what we're doing, and we combined this with a tourism venture, ice cream production, linked to our on-site dairy herd, so they get the full cow to cone experience. Being on a farm that has many footpaths going through it does of course have its challenges. We're not immune from those, whether it's gates being left open or dogs off leads, but by and large the public that we see are very, very aware, very considerate and respectful of the landscape. Many people have commented that have come through here that this does offer a good place to relax and get away from the hustle and bustle of modern life, and I'm only grateful that I can call this my office.